Hello friend, in this video we discuss about the linear layout and the implementation part of the linear layout, and we will see the example of the linear layout also. So firstly, what is linear layout? Linear layout is a simple layout used in Android for layout designing. In the linear layout, all the elements are displayed in the linear fashion, means all the child of a linear layout are displayed according to its orientation. In the linear layout, there are two types of orientation, vertical and horizontal. These all are attributes of the linear layout: orientation, gravity, layout weight sum. This time we will discuss only the orientation and gravity. So the example of the orientation we will see. So just open the Android Studio and then make the new project. So go to new project. These all are activity: basic activity, empty activity, bottom navigation activity. These all are activity, but this time we are beginner, so use the empty activity and then write the name of application. So linear layout, name of the project is linear layout, because we will discuss in this video linear layout. This is the package name. This is save location of this project. If you will change the location of the project, then you click here and then change the folder and save. These both are languages which is used in the Android Studio, Kotlin and Java. In this project we used Java, and then finish. Click on Java and then finish. So this is the project name, linear layout. This is the loading process. So this is the main activity. In this main activity we code all the user interface, and this is the main activity. All the coding of the Java we write here, and all the designing coding we write here. Means this is our user interface. So we click the preview and increase the size of the layout. So this is the constant layout, but in this video we learn about the linear layout. So we change the linear layout, remove the text view. Firstly we will make the two buttons. So we will write the button, and this is layout width, layout height. So layout width is wrap content, and the text is text of the button. Text of the button is button. This is the text of inside the button, and the ID of the button. So ID of the button is, if we will code on the Java, then if we access this button, so with the help of ID of the button we will access. So this is the ID. So this is the ID button 1, because this is our button 1. And then close, and then close button, and paste here for the button 2. Button 2 bus only we change the ID button 2 and text button 2. This is our button 1. So you see we have two buttons, in this linear layout. So what's the orientation? I told you there are two types of orientation, horizontal, vertical. So if we choose vertical, then you see the button direction is changed into the vertical. But if we use the horizontal, by default the button is horizontal in the linear layout. So we change the, if we use the horizontal, then the button direction in horizontal. So this is the use of orientation. Mostly time we don't know difference between wrap content and match parent. So what the difference between wrap content and match parent? So if we use the layout with wrap content, orientation vertical, layout weight is wrap content. If we use on the place of wrap content match parent, we use match parent. So you see the button sizes expand, but if we use in the place of match parent wrap content, write the wrap content, you see the sizes decrease of the button. So the main difference between wrap content and main parent is wrap content only cover the button content. Inside the button content only you see write button 1. So if we write the wrap content, so only cover the content of the button, text of the button 1. But if we write match parent, the size, the width, only the width, because we changes only the layout width. If we changes the layout width and choose the match parent, then sizes expand of the button. And layout height, if we change the wrap content into the layout height, if we change the wrap content in the layout height and choose the match parent, then you see the button 1 is expand into the full screen of the linear layout. So this is the main difference between wrap content and match parent. So in the next video we discuss about all the attributes related to the linear layout. If you like this video, then comment and subscribe for the